Hi everyone, welcome back to the second video of the land surface temperature calculation using Google Earth Engine. And in the last video, I explained the land surface temperature code in the Google Earth Engine that you have to use to calculate LST. And today I will show you how you can export that image to your Google Drive and then do the post-processing in ArcGIS Pro for further analysis. So let's get started. And as usual, we have to go to the code editor first and go to your saved land surface temperature calculation code and opening the last code that I explained in the video and run it. So you can see the image here. So it's of 2024 August, the preview. And if you click on tasks, you can see the monthly images here. So although I already explained in the last video, you can go to the last video and check out the whole video, and then it will be very clear to you. Yeah, so I want to take the monthly median images. So these are all the images of 2024. So for example, I have to run it here. If I just want to take the image of 2024 August that I'm seeing here, so I'll just click on run. And then if you scroll down, you can see that it has already been moved to the submitted tasks section. And it takes some time to start the task to export the image. It actually depends. Sometimes it just starts from the moment you click on run, and sometimes it can take around 1 hour or 30 minutes or even 2 hours to just start the task itself. So it really just depends on how much queue there are at that moment. Yeah, so it started, as you can see here. Yeah, so it's running now. And as you can see, it has been completed. So when it turns blue, it means that the export of the image is completed. So now I will go to my Google Drive folder and check. So this is the folder that I created, and these are the images. So I will select all of them and click on download. And as you can see here, it has been downloaded, and I will go to the folder now, and here it is. What we have to do is extract it. Click on extract. Okay, now it's done. I will click on ArcGIS now. So you can either click on add data and then go to your folder and select all of them and click on OK. So this is the image, and you have to perform mosaic to new raster because these are downloaded as tiles. So you have to mosaic them to get them in the same image. Yeah, you can either select from the drop down option, or I'll just select from the folder. And then select the output location. I like to work in the geodatabase. You can select any folder you want, and then give the T file a name, the spatial reference system, and one of the most important thing is to select the correct data type. And then pixel size and number of bands, also important. And the mosaic operator, since it's temperature, I'll select mean. And we'll just give the parallel processing factor as 60% so that it's faster. And in case of bigger images, please uncheck these two options, otherwise the images are not correctly mosaiced, and it's a very struggling thing that I faced in the initial days. So make sure to uncheck these two, otherwise your images will look like broken pieces. Now click on run. And as you can see, it's completed. I'll remove all of the images, and yeah, it's done. You can see that. Yeah, so now you can perform any analysis you want. Your LST image is ready.